Hello everyone. I will take today a revision about Unit 1. Okay, let's start with the first question. The first question he wanted to choose the correct answer. Okay, number A, I have 1 and 2 tens minus 9500. How can we find the difference between the two numbers? First step, we write two numbers above each other. I have 1.2 minus 0.95. Okay, to find the answer we must make balance in the decimal bar, so I will put 0 up. 0 minus 5 doesn't work. I will take 1 from it. 2 will be 1, so 2 will be 1. 0 will be 10. Okay, now 10 minus 5 equal 5. 1 minus 9 doesn't work. I will take 1 from it. 1 will be 0. 1 and 1, 11. Okay, 11 minus 9 will be 2. So bring down decimal point. 0 minus 0 equal 0. Okay, so 1.2 minus 9500 equal 2500. Okay, question number B. 42 and 1800 times 10. We say when we make times, the number increased or decreased. When we make times, the number increased. Okay, we know the greatest part is the whole part. Okay, so when we make times, I will take one digit because I have 1 0. I will take one digit from decimal part to the whole part. So if I take 1 to the whole part, the number will be 421.8. Now, to make sure the answer is right, I know I will increase the number one step. Okay, 4 here in tens place, but 4 here in hundreds place. So the answer increased. The answer will be 421.8. Question number C. Here he said which number could be round to 6900. 6900. Okay, first step, he round which digit? He round which digit? Okay, type. Let's start from the first one. He rounded the hundreds. Why he rounded the hundreds? Because he stopped in hundreds place. Okay, put line under hundreds place. Circle 9. 9 poor or reach. It will give 7 1. So the answer here will, if I round this number, it will be 0.68. 0.68 is it here? No, so the answer wrong. This answer wrong. Okay, number B. I will round the number in hundreds place, which is a 9. Circle 8. 8 reach number. 8 will give a 9 1. 9 will be 10, put a 0 and carry 1. 6 will be 7 and put a decimal point. Okay, if I round this number, it will be 70. 70 here? No, so the answer is wrong. Okay, here if I round the number in hundreds place, which digit I will look in thousand place. So I know here I have 0. 0 is poor, doesn't give 1. So the answer will be the same, 0.68. So this number is wrong. Okay, look here. I will put line under a number in digits place. Circle 6. 6 is a rich number. It will give 1. That means number will be, if I round, 0.69. This number, yes, so the answer will be 0.60800, 686,000. Okay, any problem for now? Okay, the next question. Look here. Here he wanted to choose the correct answer. The number is 15 and 15,000 in expanded form. Okay. First step, write a number in standard form. I will write question number D. Question number D. Okay. Write a number in standard form. How can we write a number in standard form? He said 15 and we know and means decimal point. Okay. 15, that means I have in whole part 15. and that means decimal point. 15,000. That means we have 3 places in decimal point. And I see 15, that means 5 must be in which place? In thousand place. Okay, يبقى 15,000. Here I will put 0. Okay, now I write a number in standard form, but he wanted to write a number in expanded form. How can we write a number in expanded form? By write each digit in its value. Okay, 10 plus 5. The value of 5 is 5 plus value of 0, 0, so I doesn't write 0. Value of 1, 0.01 plus 0.005. Okay, so the answer will be number C. The answer will be number C. Okay, look carefully to the next question. Question number E. Okay. 3 and 2 times plus 4 and 55,000. First step, make addition. 3.2 plus 4.055. I see we must make balance, so I will put 2 zeros here. 0 plus 5 equal 5. 0 plus 5 equal 5. 2 plus 0 equal 2. Decimal point. 3 plus 4 equal 7. Okay, for now, we doesn't have any problem. Okay, look to the next number. 700 7 and 5,000 plus 1/4. Okay, we doesn't take any fraction in the denominator. We have 4, but we take in the denominator we have 100. Okay, how can we change 1/4 to the another fraction in the denominator? 10. 10 in the timetable of 4? No. 100 in timetable of 4? Yes. How can we make 4 100? By times 25. Okay, because we have 4 25 in 100. 25 plus 25 equal 50. 25 plus 25 equal 50. So 50 plus 50 equal 100. Okay, and we know if we make times in the denominator, we must make times in the numerator. So I will make times 25. Now number is 25 over 100. Okay, now we can write this fraction in decimal. Yes. Okay, 25 hundreds. 25 hundreds. 0.25. Okay, now I have 7.005 plus 1/4, we say 0.25. Okay, yeah. Let's make addition. That's equal. We have 3 digits here, and here we have 2 digits. So I will put 0 here. 5 plus 0 equal 5. 0 plus 5 equal 5. 0 plus 2 equal 2. Decimal point. 0 plus 7 equal 7. Okay, so the answer here will be 7.255,000. And here we have 7 and 255,000. Okay, the answer will be equal. Okay, okay. Now, question number F. He wanted to know the value of digit 4 in number 72 and 14,000. Okay, put line under 4. Okay, 4 in which place? In thousand place. Okay, look at the digits before digit 4. We have 2 digits, so I will put 2 zeros and I will bring down a 4. Okay, put a decimal point and put 0 in a whole board. Okay, so the value of a digit 4, bring down a digit and look how many digits before this digit. We have 2 digits, so I will put 2 0. So the answer will be 400. Okay, any problem? Okay, now Let's take another question. Here he want to complete. Okay, the first one 4 and 972 plus 5 and 2000. He wanted to estimate the sum. After we make plus or after we make estimation, we must estimate each number alone. Okay, if I wanted to estimate 4, if I wanted to estimate 4 and 972, how can we estimate this number? 4.972,000. Okay, we will round the whole number. We will round the whole number. Okay, circle 9. 9 poor or rich? 9 rich number. It will give 1 to 4. 4 will be 5. And the rest will be 0. So I doesn't write another numbers. Okay, so if I estimate this number, it will be 5 plus 5 and 2000. If I round the 5 and 2000, round the whole number, we must round the same place value. Okay, so circle is 0. 0 is a poor number. It will doesn't give a 5, so the answer will be 5. Okay, now 5 plus 5 equal what? Equal 10. يبقى الاستيميشن is 5 plus 5 equal 10. Okay, so we make estimation before we make plus. Okay, question number B. Here he have 24,000 plus 476,000. How many tens? He said how many tens? Okay, let's make addition first. 324,000, that means 0.324 plus 476,000 in decimal number is 0.476. For now, we doesn't have any problem. 4 plus 6 equal 10. Put 0 and carry 1. 2 plus 7, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. Put 0 and carry 1. 4 plus 3, 8. 7 and 1, it will be 8.0. He said which digit in which place? In tenth place. He wanted to know the digit in tenth place. Which digit in tenth place? 8. So I will write 8 only. Okay, we doesn't put the total number, but we put the digit in tenth place. Okay, question number C. 461 and 1200 divided at 10. Okay, when we make divided, the number decreased. Okay, when we make divided, the number decreased. And we know decimal part is a small part. So I will take how many digits? I have 1 0, so I will take 1 digit. I will take 1 digit from the whole part to the decimal part to decrease the number. So the answer will be 4 6 points. Okay, I will take one to another port 112. Why we put decimal point here? Because I decrease a number by one step or one place value, so I will take one to the decimal port. Okay, another question. Here we want to find the missing numbers. Type. How can we find the missing numbers here? Put the numbers above each other. How? Number D. I will put number above each other. Okay. Here 4 point. I have here a missing number. 7. Okay. Plus 5.5 and I have another missing number equal 8. 980, 900. Okay. Okay. How can we find the missing number? 7 plus what? Equal 9. 7 plus what? Count after 7. 8, 9. 7 plus 2 equal 9. Okay, now, what is the number? Plus 5 equal 8. Count after 5. 6, 7, 8. We have 3, so 3 plus 5 equal 8. 4 plus 5 equal what? 9. That's all. It's a very easy, but to know the missing number, put the numbers above each other. So I will have here 3, 2, and 9. Okay. Question number E. Here he have 58 and 479,000. Round to 58 and 5 tenths. He stopped in which place? 5. Okay. طيب. Here I have a 4. طيب. Here he round to the nearest what? Look at the number he stopped. He stopped in which place? 10th. So he round to the nearest 10th. That's all. How can we find? He round to the nearest what? Look at the last place value here. Okay, look at the last place value. Okay, question number F. It's a addition. 4,207 plus 4,207 and 300. Here we have 8,929.8. Okay, how can we find the sum? Here we have 2 digits, so we must have 2 digits in the next number. Okay, we can put 0 in right hand in decimal part. Okay, 3 plus 0 equal 3. 0 plus 8 equal 8. Decimal point bring down decimal point. 7 plus 9 equal 16. Put 6 and carry 1. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 9, 9. 10, 11. So I will have 1 and carry another 1 here. 8 plus 4 equal 12. 12 plus 1 equal 13. So the answer will be 13,136 and 8300. 13,136 and 8300. That's all. Okay. Look at the next question. Look here. Here he wanted to say if the statement is right or wrong. Okay, let's start the first one. Here we have 200 and here we have 40,000. Okay, how can we find the answer? Put the numbers in the decimal form. Put the numbers in the decimal form. I have here 200 in decimal point. We will put 0.02 because 100 has 2 digits in decimal part, plus 40,000, that's in decimal 4, 0.040. Okay, how can we find the answer? Make a balance. I will put 0 here. 0 plus 0 equal 0. 2 plus 4 equal 6. 0 plus 0 equal 0. Decimal point 0 plus 0 equal 0. Okay, 0.60,000 equal 0.600. Okay, the answer will be right. Why? Because we know 0.06 equal 0 equal 0.060. We can put zeros in right hand in decimal point and I can cancel it. Okay, the next one 999 and 910 minus 99. Put each digit in its place value. and 99. How can I solve it? You must make a balance, so I will put 0 here. Okay, now 0 minus 8 doesn't work. I will take 1 from it, 9. 9 will be 8. 10, 0 will be 10. Okay, now 10 minus 9 equal 1. Okay, 8 minus 9 doesn't work. I will take 1 from a 9. 9 will be 8. And the 8 will be 18. Now, 18 minus 9. 18 minus 9 equal 9. Decimal point. 8 minus 9 doesn't work. I will take 1 from a 9. 9 will be 8. And I will put 1 here. 18 minus 9 equal 9. 8 minus 9 doesn't work. I will take 1 from a 9. 9 will be 8. 8 will be 18. 18 minus 9 equal 9. And 8 minus 0 equal 8. Okay. So the answer will be 899 and the 9100 doesn't equal 900. So the answer will be wrong. The last one, 70 and 1000 plus 1 and 70. We must make a balance, so I will put 0 here. 1 plus 0 equal 1. 0 plus 0 equal 0. 0 plus 7 equal 7. Decimal point 1 plus 0 equal 1. 7, bring down 7. So the answer will be 71 and 700, 0. Not equal, 71, 7100. So the answer will be wrong. Okay, look at the next page. Okay, here he wanted to know if I make estimate, the answer will be 20 or not. Okay, I say before we make addition, we must estimate each number alone. Okay, when we estimate 4.001, I will estimate the whole number. Okay, 0 doesn't give 1, so when we round it will be 4. Okay, here we have 4 plus 15.9. If I round, I will circle 9. 9 will give it 5. 1, 5 will be 60. Okay, it will give 1, so it will be 60. When we make estimation, 4 plus 16 equal 20. Estimation equal 20, yes, so the answer will be right. Okay, any problem for now? Okay, look now. Here we have question number E. 4 and 800. How can we write this number? First step, write a number in decimal form. 4 and 800. That's meaning 8 in decimal part we have 2 digits. 8 in hundreds place. And the put is 0. Now we'll answer when we round this number to the nearest tens. If I round this number to the nearest tens, it will be 8 reach given 1. So the answer will be 4.1 doesn't equal 4.800. So the answer is wrong. Okay, the last one. 300 equal 30,000. Okay, 30,000 equal what? I will write 0.03, which is 300. Okay, how can we write 30,000? How can we write 30,000? Yep, he wanted to know if 0.3 hundreds equal 30,000. 30,000, that means how many digits in thousand place? We have 3 digits. A 0 point, we have 3 places. Okay, 30, we see the last digit must be in this place value. I will write 30 here. And the rest will be zeros. Okay, now 0.03 equal 0.030. Yes, because we can put 0 in right hand. For now, it's a very easy. Okay, let's start the next one. Here he wanted to match the correct answer. Let's take the first one. Here I have 42 and 1/10 divided. When we make divided, number decreased. So one digit will take one digit from whole part to the decimal part. Okay, I will take it to the decimal part. The answer will be 4.21 because I will take one digit, that's 2. 2 to the decimal part. The answer will be 4 and 32. Okay, the next one. Time is 10. Time is 10. Number increased. When the number increased, the digits go to the whole part to increase. How many digits? I have 10, so I will take one digit. I will take digit 1 to the whole part. It will be 421. Okay, 421 doesn't here, but if I write this number 421 in expanded form, it will be 400 plus 20 plus 1. So the answer number 4. That means he must give a number in a standard form? No, he can write a number in another form. Okay? The next one, number C. 4/10. 200 and 1000. Write a number in standard form. Okay, here we have any number in whole part? No, so I will put 0. And he said 1000. That means we have 3 places. 4/10. I will put it 4 in tens place. Put each digit in its place value. 200. 200. That means 2 in hundreds place. 1000. That means 1 in thousand place. So the answer will be number A. Number D. Let's find the difference between two numbers. 43 and 755 minus 1 and 255,000. 5 minus 5 equal 0. 5 minus 5 equal 0. 3 minus 2 equal 1. Point. 3 minus 1 equal 2. 4. I will bring down in 4. So the answer here 42 and 1. Right? Okay. I have the last answer, but I don't know if this answer is right or wrong. Okay. 421 tenths. Tenth, that means how many digits in decimal part? One digit. So I will take one digit, the first digit. So the answer will be 42.1. Look, the two numbers are the same. So the answer, it will be 471 tenths. If he said 471 tenths, that means we have one digit in decimal part. We have one digit in decimal part. Okay, the next question. Here he said, we have a story problem. Read carefully, then find the missing. If the sum of two decimal number is 40 and 1/10, and the smaller number of them is 4 and 992. What is the greatest decimal number? He wanted to find the greatest. Okay, start from the first. If the sum means what? Sum means what? We know sum, total, all, and together means what? Means plus. That means we make plus between two numbers, the first number and the second number. He said if the sum, we know the result between make addition between two numbers, it's called the sum. Sum is 40 and 1. 40 and 1. And the smaller number, we know we have the first number with second number. Smaller number is 4 and 992. What is the greater decimal? Here I have a missing number. How can I find it? Okay, if I have 10 pounds and I put two sweets, one of the sweets is 3. Okay, the second sweet cost how many money? How can we find it? I will subtract 3 pounds from a total number which is 10. Here the same. I will subtract the smaller number from the total to find the greater. Okay, so what is the total number? 40.1. I will subtract 4.992,000 from the 40 to find the greater number. Okay, here let's make a draft. 40 and 1 minus 4.992. Okay, we must make a balance. 0, 0. 0 minus 2 doesn't work. Okay, it will be 10 and cancel 0. 0. I can't take 1 from a 0, so now L1 will be 0 and the 0 will be 10. I will take 1 from a 10. 10 will be 9. 10 minus 2 equal 8. 9 minus a 9 equal 0. 0 minus a 9 doesn't work. I will take 1 from a 0, but here I can't take 1, so 0. This 0 will take 1 from a 4. 4 will be 3. 0 will be 10. Now I can take 1 from a 10. Yes, 10 will be 9. Okay. And this 0 will be 10. 10 minus a 9, it will be 1. Decimal point. 9 minus 4 equal 5. And bring down 3. So the answer will be 35 and 1.8. Again, let's solve this equation again. He said if the sum of two decimal number is 40 and 1 and the smaller number of them is 4 and 992, what is the greater decimal number? How can we find the greater decimal number? To find the greater decimal number, we must subtract the small number from the total number. If I subtract the small number from the total number, here I have total number 40.1 minus 4 and 992. We must make a balance, so I will put 2 zeros. Okay, now 0 minus 2 doesn't work. We can't subtract big number from a small number. Okay, what happened? I will take 1 from a 0, but I can't take 1 from a 0, so 0 will take 1 from a 1. L1 will be 0. Now this 0, it will be 10. Now can I take 1 from a 10? Yes, 10 will be 9. 0 will be 10. Okay, 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus a 9, 0. 0 minus a 9 doesn't work. It will be 10. And okay, how can we take 1 from a 0? I can't, so I will take 1 from a 4. 4 will be 3. 0 will be 10. I can take 1 from a 10. 10 will be 9. And 10 minus 9 equal 1. 9 minus 4 equal 5. And bring down 3. Okay, let's take the last page. Here he said Marvena walked from home to her school a distance 1 and 215 kilometers. Okay, then she walked from her school to her grandmother home a distance 2 and 0.9 or 2 and 900 kilometers. What is the total? Total means plus. Total means plus. Okay, here we will make addition between two numbers. A 1.215 plus 2.09. Okay, now 1 and 215, 1 and 215 plus 2.09. We must make a balance. We will put 0, 5 plus 0 equal 5, 1 plus 9 equal 10, put 0 and carry up 1, 2 plus 0 equal 2 plus 1 equal 3, 3. Decimal point, 1 plus 2 equal 3. So the answer will be 300, 3 and 305, 3 and 305 kilometer. We must write the unit kilometer. Okay, that's all for our revision. Thank you to listening to me.